Hey guys, in this video we're going to look at tab and window shortcuts for Google Chrome browser. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. Being said that, let's get started. To open a new window, you can go to Chrome menu and click on new window option, or otherwise you can use Control N as a shortcut to open a new window. To open a new tab, you can go to a menu and click on the new tab option, or otherwise you can click Control T to open a new tab. To open an incognito window, you can click on the menu and use this option to open the incognito window, or otherwise you can use the shortcut Control Shift N to open the incognito window. I have opened CNN.com. Let's say I want to open this particular link in a different window, so you can right click and you can do open in a new tab, or otherwise you can use Control click so that the same will be open in the new tab. So while doing this operation, it is like when you use Control click, it opens a new window, the new tab, the same browser, but you cannot see that immediately. To do that, you can use Control Shift click so that it opens the content as well as the focus is on in the new tab. And there's other shortcut to open the last closed tab. You can use Control Shift T so that it opens the last closed tabs. If you use Control Shift T continuously, Google Chrome will start to open all the closed tabs. Let's try to use that. Control Shift T. Facebook is opening. Control Shift T. The previous YouTube is opening. Control Shift T. And Bing's News is opening. So this is the shortcut to open the closed tabs in the recent past. Let's move on to our tab navigation shortcuts. Let's say here 13 to 14 tabs are open, and if I want to go for the fifth tab from the left side, I can use an option or shortcut Control 5, which will take me into the fifth tab. If I want to go to the seventh tab, Control 7. So this is a shortcut for navigation between tabs 1 to 8. So let's say what happened if some tabs more than 8, so we cannot use that. For that we can use Control 9, which will take you into the final open tab. Let's hit Control 9, which will take you into the last tab. So Control 1 to Control 8 will take you into first tab to 8 tab, and more than 8 tabs you can go to the Control 9 to it will take you to the last tab. To navigation between tab by tab, if you don't have don't know what are the content available in a particular tabs, so let's say I want to browse all the tab, what are the contents available, so I can use the shortcut Control Tab. I can navigate Control Tab to navigate one by one. I can just see that and try to find it, what other things are available in the open tabs. What if I want to go back, I can use Control Shift Tab to go back. Go in the reverse way. So this is another way of tab navigation. And as I told you earlier, Control 9 will take you to the last tab of the browser. So let's say some of the dragging shortcuts. So in this case, if you want to open this link in the same page, you can click and drag it to the address bar and leave it. Obviously that particular page will open. The next drag shortcut is, you can open a certain link to a different tab. You just need to click and drag it to the available space on the tab. Can you see that? If you release that, obviously it will open the link in a new tab. Let's say in this browser you have 5 CNN tabs and 1 BBC tab. So you don't want the BBC tab to be included with the rest of the CNN news tabs. So what you can do is you can click on the BBC tab and click and drag it outside so that it will open a separate web browser or Chrome browser. And if you want to add it back, what you have to do is you have to click and take it back to them. Again, it gets added to the old browser. Let's say if you click and try to open it some other, try to merge it with some other browser, then in the middle you decided that that is not the way to go. You can just press escape button so that it will go back to the original form. Okay, so we'll talk about the web page navigation, how to navigate between opened web pages in the recent past. If you want to go back to the previous web page, let's say you can press backspace so that it will go to the previous web page. Or otherwise, what you can do that is you can use Alt left arrow. You can use Alt left arrow to make to open the previous web page. So that opens up the question: what is the shortcut for opening up the previous web page? So you can use Shift backspace, which will take you to the previous web page. Or otherwise, you can use Alt right arrow, which will take you to the previous web page. So and another shortcut for closing the tabs or Control W. So Control W will help you to close the active tab. Control W, click on that particular web browser. Control W will close the active browser. Control W will close the active browser. But what if you want to close all the tabs together? You can use Control Shift W will close all the tabs available. Let's say you have 3 open Google Chrome browsers. In each Google Chrome browser you have a multiple number of tabs. But what is a shortcut to close all the things in a single keystroke? Is you can use currently there are 3 Google Chrome browsers are open. You can use Control Shift Q, which will close all the Chrome browsers available or opened in your system. So these are the shortcuts related to tab and window. Thanks for your time.